How to assemble your perfect fit blind. In your pack, you will have your drawn-up blind with attached bottom bar and 2 side frames. Spread out the blind, bottom bar and side frames face down on a clean, even surface. Starting from the top right, guide the side frames onto each corner joint, ensuring all cords are free and positioned inside the frame. Next, tighten the 2 screws on each corner joint to secure the frame firmly into place. Your perfect fit frame is now ready to install.